Hello, welcome to Archa's Kids. In today's video, we are going to read some short sentences related to E sound, that is A. So let's get started. The pen is on the bed. A red ant is on the pen. A fat hen sat on the egg. 10 pegs on the bed. The elf sat on the keg. The jet is in the bag. A lad met an elf in the jet. A hen is in the pen. This is how we learn to read short sentences with E sound. Practice daily reading these sentences. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.